First put half cup shampoo and 1/4 cup of cornstarch in a bowl. Then mix well. Now pour 3 drops of food coloring. After that add 1 tablespoon of water and stir. Now slowly add 5 more tablespoons of water, stirring well after each one. Then knead the slime for around 7 minutes. If you find out that your slime is still sticky after kneading it for a while, keep adding cornstarch to the slime and knead it in until you get a good consistency. The recipe worked great when I tried it a couple times with just 1/4 cup cornstarch. But a coworker found that he needed 2 and 1/4 cups to get the dough-like consistency of a good fluffy slime. I think the brand of cornstarch and humidity may have a lot to do with the variance in cornstarch amounts from what I've observed in my experiments. As long as you end up with a semi-hard, semi-stretchy, moist, light, almost dough-like slime, you did the recipe right. Borax is a popular ingredient for making slime, but beyond my negative experience with stinky borax-based slime, there is pause for concern in using borax to make slime. Borax is a chemical cleaner and unchecked, repeated and prolonged exposure to it is bad for your skin and potentially bad for your health. These were the explanations that had to be given about borax so that nothing would happen during the video.